Are you wild? Are you wild? Want to say hi? Hi. Hey guys, running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. This is a little midweek haul. We have Walgreens right here. We have some Dollar General right here. Rite Aid, tons of freebies. And then some freebies over at Meijer. And excuse the noise, we have some construction going on. As many of you know, my basement was flooded last weekend and we've had to pretty much rip up all the carpet, and that's turned into a basement renovation we had planned to do. So we're gonna do the demo work now, and then it's gonna go into probably full remodel next summer. So my husband really wanted to tear up the basement, so this is his big opportunity. So if there's some noise bouncing around in the background, it's just because he's you know, getting his demo on. So weather report for you guys, it is a brisk and colder one today. All the leaves have fallen from the tree. It's gonna be Halloween this Saturday. And hi to my mom if she's watching. And if you missed this morning, I made a video of Walgreens with the best scenarios for the beauty event that's gonna be starting tomorrow. So it'll be running Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So check it out. First thing we're gonna talk about is a Walgreens.com order from last week. And it came in, it shakes out to each item about 74 cents. I know that a lot of you got the lotion instead of the bar soap. You know, you just have to get creative sometimes when everything gets cleared. But this turned out perfectly, and I got mine today, and I did get my 5,000 points. So it was just a perfect little transaction. So this is really the deal of the week, and I know a lot of you, you know, you come to my channel for a little bit of like, how can I do a deal? And if you were in a similar situation like me, where, you know, your 5,000 when you spend 20 wasn't working on Sunday, if you want to give it another shot, this might be your opportunity. So this is basically $20.34 of dental care. Dental care until Saturday is on a promotion of buy two, get the third for free. We have 6 of these Crest, this specific one, Arctic Fresh 3 ounces. They are $3.59 each, and they're on the buy two, get the third for free promotion, as is the Burt's Bees kids toothpaste. So pretty easy. So I got 6 of these and 3 of these. These are $3.59 a piece, and these are $2.99 a piece. So for all of this, it's $14.36. I'm only gonna pay for 4, and then 2 of them will be free. And then I'm gonna pay for 2, 1 will be free, and these guys are $2.99 a pop. So that's 9 tubes of toothpaste for $20.34. My 5,000, when you spend 20, the digital booster was loaded to my store card, and I had a whole bunch of digital coupons. I had a 3 off of 2 for the Burt's Bees toothpaste. I had an 8 off of 4 for the Crest, and then I had a 5 off of 2 also for the Crest. So my new total was $4.35. I had to pay that cash out of pocket. You have to pay cash because the booster is spend, get, blah, blah, blah. So I got back my 5,000 points. So it made all of this toothpaste free, plus a 66-cent money maker. If you have not been out to the store and you want to do this before a beauty deal, buy your toothpaste first so that booster will be used. That booster is of a one-time use, and you will be in business for some free toothpaste. So I know that a lot of people on Instagram were getting a cheaper mouthwash as well. So definitely use your Walgreens app to scan to make sure that it's, you know, you're picking up the right stuff. But this is a fire deal. Okay guys, so the next store that we have is the Dollar General, and I went and did this deal again because at my Meijer grocery store I found this, which is $1 off too. So the deal for these cheesecakes are, they're on sale this week. 2 for $3. We have a Dollar General coupon, which is a 2 off of 6, a $2 off of a $6 purchase of Jell-O or any sort of craft product. And there was another one that showed up earlier in the week. However, that one is not attaching this week to these products. In November, sometimes they have a buy one, get one free. So, you know, maybe possibly that'll work, but loaded either way. So these were $6 for the 4. I used my 2 off of 6 October Dollar General store coupon, plus I threw in 2 of these guys. So my final total, guys, was $2 for the 4 or 50 cents per box. I mean, that's just an unheard of price. Date for these are right here at the top. So, I mean, it's just a great one. I made one of these yesterday. My husband really enjoyed it too. As a little giveaway for you guys, I did grab, there was a rep from Kraft who was at my store, and I asked for a couple of these. I have an extra 2. So if you guys want to be in the running to win these, I'm gonna give one of you 2 of these. So if this comes around again in November, you'll have some manufacturer coupons to go with this. So I'm gonna send 2 coupons and then a little pumpkin sticker. And how to be in the running for this, you gotta be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, let me know where you're from. Say you're from Columbus, Ohio. Write Columbus, Ohio shopper. 1 entry per person, and I will pick the winner on Friday morning. Good luck, guys. Before we hit up Rite Aid, we're gonna just talk really quickly about HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a food subscription box. I have been with them for 2 years, and it's well worth the price. So I'm not in the grocery store looking for, you know, just little items like I need some haricea powder for this, or, you know, garlic clove. You know, it just comes to your house, all the ingredients, you assemble it. It's really, really easy to do, and this food is like 10 times better than Applebee's or Chili's. If you want to even, you know, get a box and then put a lot of it away, put some of the meats in your freezers, put the pasta in your pantry, you know, in case you're ever snowed in one day or just you want a different dinner, you can even do that. So I have a coupon code in the notes if you guys are interested to get $40 off your first box. This is for new signups, so it'll be $20 with free shipping included, and then I think it's like $20. And say you wanted to just do a one and done, like you wanted to just possibly, you know, just try the food one time. Immediately after you put in your order, you would just, you know, deactivate your account or put it on pause, and you can get like 3 awesome meals for 20 bucks. So definitely worth it. 2 years I have been with them, and this has really, you know, made me a better cook. And it's also super uber convenient because I don't want to be in the grocery store. I want to be in the grocery store to get freebies and deals. I don't want to be in there, you know, looking for button onions and scallions and whatever, you know. This is just a really very convenient food delivery service. So if you're interested, no pressure, check out the link in the notes, $40 off your first box, and this is for new signups only. So let's talk about Rite Aid. Special shout out and gratitude to Ravi. A lot of these are in fact his deals. So on the Colgate, this little kid's mouthwash, or this one, it's called, I don't know, it's like a tube of toothpaste. Ravi was getting into a fight with it on his Instagram and YouTube page. These guys are $3.99 this week, so for 2 of them, that's $7.98. You have to buy the 2. Just follow me for this one. There's a $2 in ad. You'll get the cashier to scan that twice, and $4 will come off. You'll pay $3.98 out of pocket. You can roll bonus cash if you have any on your store card. And $1 back each for a weekly deal. Plus there's some sort of monthly where you get $2 back when you buy 2, essentially making both of these completely for free. And after you've gotten these 2, you could do it once per store card, like doing it this way. And you can get 2 mouthwashes or 2 toothpaste, but I just wanted to show you the different products that you can get. Have a bunch of nieces. This is a really cute little stocking stuffer, like this with a Hello Kitty toothbrush. I think that's like super cute. PP is with these Dixies to go. So this is kind of an interesting deal. These are $1.44 this week. They're on some sort of like really weird I was gonna call it a rollback, but it's not, we're not Walmart. It's just on a cheaper cost this week, or a smart buy. So they're $1.44 and they're typically close to $5. We have a $1 digital coupon, so it drops it down to 44 cents. It is just certain Dixie products though, so definitely open up your app, scan the barcode, and see if the coupon is attaching, and yes, it's a digital coupon. So yeah, just a cute little thing. My mom likes these sort of things, so I got them for her. All this Listerine, believe it or not, for free, which is insane. I have a gold discount at Rite Aid, meaning in the last calendar year I've spent more than $1,000, so I get 20% off of items that are full price. So the Listerine deal this week is when you buy 25, you get back $10 of bonus cash. Plus, there's also a website, I'll link it right here. You go to them and then photograph your receipt, send it off to them. You'll get a $10 virtual Visa gift card. Again, thank you to Ravi for mentioning that. So basically you're spending $25, getting back $10 in bonus cash, a $10 Visa virtual gift card. So it's like $5 for this. But I had a register reward from the Huggies deal last week. Plus I had some 75-cent coupons from the dental office. So it was a very small money maker for me. So with my gold discount, this little 250 milliliter, this guy was $3.19. These liter ones were $5.19. And then this 1.5 liter one was $6.63. Adding all of these mouthwash up together, that's $25.39. So I hit it by 39 cents. I had 5 75-cent coupons from the dental office, so that subtracted $3.75. And I had a $5 Catalina coupon from the Huggies deal I did last week that scanned also perfectly. My new total was $16.69. And what I did, guys, was I used some bonus cash to pay that down. And then I got back $10 in bonus cash. I will get back a $10 Visa virtual gift card. So it made it free, plus a $3.36 money maker. At Meijer. Meijer is predominantly in the Midwest. Definitely Google this store if you might have one. And they don't have a sister store. It's not like Kroger and Ralph's. They are their own thing. This has been a freebie for the last week, but I don't think I've mentioned it. These candy bars are 2 for $1, so grabbing 3 of them, that's $1.50. We have a $1.25 M perk, so you'll pay 25 cents for the 3 candy bars. And Saving Star and Checkout 51 has quarter rebates, so a little money maker for you or just a freebie. Brownies by M&M's, they are 99 cents each. 250 kicks with Shop Kick. It essentially makes it for free after that. And this is quite fancy whenever this appears. This Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Please make sure you're grabbing the right one. This mask is $2.59. We have a $3 M perk, which will reduce down to cost. There is no overage over at Meijer, so it makes it completely free. And this is once per card, as is this. And the Shop Kick offer is only once as well. So yeah, just a couple little cheapies and freebies over at Meijer. Who does not like those? As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.